Forklifts play an essential role in the day-to-day productivity of many companies. Their ability to lift and move large pallets and heavy items have become a valuable and necessary tool in businesses around the world. Unfortunately, accidents involving forklifts and pedestrians have become daily occurrences. According to OSHA, there are on average 2 violent forklift accidents per day, which have resulted in over 100 deaths every year. These accidents are very costly, harmful to morale, and decrease efficiency. This results in a drastic increase in insurance premiums and overall increase in operating costs. These accidents can be avoided. The HitNot proximity detection system not only reduces costs, it can also assist in helping save lives. Installing the HitNot proximity detection system is simple. HitNot magnetic field generators are installed on the forklifts or any other mobile equipment. Each pedestrian wears their own personal alarm device known as pads. The magnetic field generators work in conjunction with the personal alarm devices to notify and alert pedestrians and equipment drivers of any oncoming danger. HitNot has many unique features, 3 that are demonstrated here in this video animation. First, the system uses an audible and visual alarm to simultaneously warn the pedestrian and the driver of possible equipment to pedestrian collisions. With an add-on collision avoidance module known as CAMS, HitNot can also warn drivers of possible equipment to equipment collisions. Second, the magnetic adjustable fields have 2 zones, a warning zone and a danger zone. Each of these have their own precise markers. Third, the system can read and warn through walls, racks, and other blind corner obstructions which are known to commonly cause equipment and pedestrian collisions. In other words, unlike RFID systems, HitNot can see you as a pedestrian, even if an equipment driver cannot. HitNot is proven, reliable, and the best accident prevention system you can buy. Let our Detect and Protect HitNot system go to work for you and your employees today.